Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Worx WG779 40V 14-inch cordless lawn mower, along with the string trimmer and leaf blower bundle. If you're looking for a complete cordless lawn care solution, stick around to see if this set meets your needs. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Design and build quality. Let's start with the design. The Worx WG779 lawn mower features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver around your yard. Its 14-inch cutting deck is perfect for small to medium-sized lawns, allowing you to reach tight spots effortlessly. The string trimmer and leaf blower are also well designed, lightweight, and easy to handle, ensuring comfortable use for extended periods. Performance. The Worx WG779 is powered by two 20-volt batteries, delivering a total of 40 volts of power. This ensures ample runtime and efficient cutting performance. The mower features IntelliCut technology, which adjusts the power based on the grass thickness, providing more torque when needed and saving battery life during lighter tasks. The string trimmer offers precise trimming and edging, while the leaf blower provides powerful airflow to clear leaves and debris from your yard. Ease of use. One of the standout features of this bundle is its ease of use. The cordless design means no more tangled cords or limited mobility. The mower's push-button start eliminates the hassle of pull cords, and its adjustable cutting height from 1.5 to 3.5 inches allows you to customize your lawn's appearance. The string trimmer's auto-feed line system ensures continuous trimming, and the leaf blower's variable speed control lets you adjust the airflow for different tasks. Battery and charging. The included batteries and charger ensure that you have everything you need to get started. The batteries are interchangeable across the Worx 20V PowerShare platform, allowing you to use them with other Worx tools. The charger quickly replenishes the batteries, so you can get back to work without long downtime. Additional features. The Worx WG779 lawn mower includes a dual-port charger for simultaneous charging of both batteries, and a grass collection bag that can hold up to 0.85 bushels of clippings. The string trimmer features a flower guard to protect your plants while trimming, and the leaf blower has a hyper-stream air nozzle for enhanced performance on stubborn debris. Verdict. Overall, the Worx WG779 40V 14-inch cordless lawn mower, along with the string trimmer and leaf blower bundle, offers a convenient and efficient solution for maintaining your lawn. Its cordless design, powerful performance, and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for homeowners looking to keep their yard in top shape. If you're interested in picking up the Worx WG779 bundle for your lawn care needs, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and home maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.